Hey YouTube, Mick from Sydney, Australia. Just got home and just feel like boiling some water basically, so I thought I'd film it, eh? I know I've done this before, you've seen it on YouTube a million times, but again, I've got two Jiffy fire starters, so I'm going to use both of these to boil a cup of water. I'm going to start off with this one, then when it starts going out, I'll put that one in, and I reckon this should probably boil within 5 minutes, I hope. So anyway, I've got my stove here that fits over that. Bit of aluminium foil so I don't burn the bottom of the paper here. I'm going to use the jet lighter to spark it up. Can't be bothered using the fire still. Alright, so it's lit, and I'll place the cup on. Alright, got some aluminium foil. I'm going to use this for the lid. And see if that basically is quicker to burn with having a lid on it. So you can see I've got a real good flame just with one. Well, that's actually half a Jiffy fire starter. So leave them on there and see what happens. I think as I tested last time, the smell from these, they smell but they're not as bad as the Hexi blocks. The Hexi blocks friggin' stink. These have got not a pleasant smell, but you know, it doesn't bother you that much. But one thing that gives me, it doesn't give me the shits, but you know, the what do you call it, the black smut or whatever you want to call it, that comes off these things and goes in the cup. You know, I guess you can't help that. Using wood helps that a bit, but you're always still going to get that muck on the bottom of the cup. So she's burning well. It's been on for say a minute, so I'm going to leave that be. While I'm doing that, just a couple of new additions. I've added a very old Swiss Army knife that I've had probably for 15 years, so I've added that onto my keychain. Yeah, it's got two blades, a bottle opener, a can opener, a cork opener, and a awl. So yeah, it's just in the keychain. I've got my tinder container, I've got my paracord. On this section here, I've taken it off because it's charging in the car, but that's a little LED light that's rechargeable, so I recharge it every day in my car. It's currently still in there. And just got my fire steel and my striker. So that's all that's on my EDC keys. Comes with me everywhere. I'll sit on with that. Always carry the Leatherman wave. Excuse the rain if you can hear it, but it's raining here in Sydney. I'm finding these Jiffies to be my preferred means of boiling water. Two of them will do it. That Jiffy's still burning pretty well. I'm getting bubbles forming at the bottom there. So once the flame dies out a bit, I'll stick the other one on there and see how she goes. I'll have a smoke while she's going. We've been copping a real bad flu in Sydney this year. I've had it since April, but it really knocked me about last week and I spent the whole week at home. But apparently they're calling it the 100-day cough. everyone at my work's got it. Apparently, I think over 100 people's been submitted to hospital today or this week or something like that. I heard on the radio. They're going to have a full report about it. So it's a pretty bad flu going around. And it's really knocked a lot of people about, and if you go to hospital about it, it's pretty serious. So I'm thinking that's probably the elderly and the young that are being affected or the sick. So yeah, so just thought I'd add that in. Good thing about aluminium foil, it's it's not hot to touch even if a flame gets to it. And I'll get a couple of uses out of this aluminium foil. And just fold it back up and put it away in my canteen holder. I want to get probably a better one of these, something with a bigger pocket, so I can add some more fuel in one small package. I don't even know if I should add another 5-starter to this. And of course I've got my little grill plate which I cleaned up the other day, just in case I want to cook a little bit of meat, little pieces at a time, and nibble on it. It fits my, my canteen pouch quite good. So I'm going to stick the other one in there because I reckon it's going to go out soon. Sorry about the noise. I'm in a tin shed, so it's pretty loud when it rains. Generally when I go out, I carry my canteen, hooked to my bag or on my side of my belt. But I'm always carrying this little pouch, and it's just got some coffee, muesli bar, some cup of soups, my eating utensil. I just use a fork. If I need a spoon. But if I need to pick up meat, whatever, I'll just use my knife as a tip. So, but I also do carry a little fork. I should add it to this pouch here, but this molly straps to my bag, or I can strap it on my side. It's not packed out at all. I can add some more 2-minute noodles in there, and some rice. Got some herbs and spices in there. So it's a nice little pouch to take. Really there. Well, I've been filming for like nearly 10 minutes. It's still not to a boil, so it's taking longer than I thought. I think it's got to do with the cup. It's really good, high quality stainless steel. You'll notice I did a video where I was complaining about rust with some other cups. But this cup doesn't have any rust at all. It's really good high grade stainless steel, so I think that's what makes it take a little bit longer to boil. Alright, we've got a boil. So there you go. So I've been filming 12 minutes, 18 seconds. Take a minute off. So 11.5 minute burn time and boil time there. Alright guys, it's raining. I know it's probably annoying, so see you.